Well, what is up, my Back to Life family? Today I am doing a video because I need your help decorating my house. This is like a DIY project. This is kind of me saying, I don't know what I'm doing. My house is empty, and I need to make my house feel like a home. And I need your help. So, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take you on a short video tour of my home. We're gonna look through it, and I need everybody's help out there because the thing is, little short story, I actually traveled for a year and a half in the past 2 years. So I've spent more time out of my house than in my house. And what that means is I was like a super minimalist. I was like, I don't want anything. I don't care. I'm never at home, so I don't want my house to have anything in it. So in that case, I had nothing in my house. As you can see, my walls are very gray. I think the colors and everything is super cute, or whatever you call a house that you think looks good. I don't know if cute is the word. However, what I'm trying to figure out is how do I make this place feel more like a home instead of like a hotel room where you come and there's, well, hotel rooms actually feel more like home than my house does, because you'll see as soon as I go in my bedrooms, my office is okay-ish. I just kind of reorganized it. That's about it. But long story short, I've been traveling, but now I'm staying here. I'm gonna be doing business in my hometown, Chattanooga, Tennessee. And instead of traveling the world because of what's going on with everything, and who knows what travel is gonna be in the next year. It's just uncertain. So I need your help decorating my house because I need it to feel like a home. So let's start with a tour of my bedroom. Alrighty, y'all, here we go. This is my master bedroom, okay? And as you see, I literally have my bed. It's not even on the frames. The frame's over there. It's just white, gray walls, nice windows, great lighting. Just got a mirror there for when I get dressed. Got my bathroom, little foam roller, little pictures on the ground, my book that I wrote, a backpack, some shoes, and my charger. Literally nothing else in my room. Not really sure what to do here. Your help would be highly appreciated. I don't know. Oh, can't forget the ironing board. Ironing board is crucial because I don't want to walk all the way to the other room over there to do all that stuff when I'm trying to get ready. But yeah, I mean, this is my room. This is me. And I'm a little confused because I don't really know how to make a bedroom feel more homey. I only sleep in here. I don't do much else in here. So what do I do in this situation? This is what I'm dealing with. It's not like anxiety or pressure. It's just, I literally don't know what to do. I am confused, literally. And I say literally a lot, so I do apologize for any new viewers. The word literally comes out all the time. I do apologize. However, let's walk into my bathroom. My bathroom, I'm just gonna kind of keep it, I don't know, you know, when you just have too much stuff, like kind of just keep your watch out, your hair gel, gift cards, stuff like that. Bathroom's pretty solid. My closet, I just kind of went through and literally just removed half of my clothing. So what you're seeing now is only half of what was here previously. So I got all my shoes and everything. I'm not really worried about this place. This is where I just kind of, this is like your, I don't know. I'm good with the closet. Just wanted to show y'all, but this room needs some tender love and care. We need some TLC. We need some DIY going up in here. So what should I do in this bedroom? This is the master. So if you leave a comment, let me know what I should do in the master bedroom. And I'm going to take y'all over to my office now, which is like, we're just moving and grooving. Here we go. We are approaching the office. And this, my friends, is my office space. I got pictures on the floor. Got some academic honor roll stuff going on there. That's when I played at UTC. One desk, literally one chair. Nothing on the walls. Great light coming through. My jerseys when I played in college. When I played at University of Tennessee, Knoxville. So that's pretty cool. My friend who played for the Saints and my master's diploma. But that's it. Like, I don't know. Oh, I got my Wi-Fi stuff here. And I still have a Christmas tree up. And that's my tripod stand. Like, I don't know. I don't even know where to begin half the time. I don't really know what I'm doing. It's just like I have stuff that I could put places, but I don't know where to put it. So all in all, what I'm asking for is I need your help to figure out where to put stuff. Or if I go to like, there's a website. It's like wayfair.com. I've seen commercials for it. They have super cool stuff and they deliver it right to your doorstep is what I saw in commercials. But I don't know what to buy. I don't know what color stuff to use. I don't know what's going on. Like people that do interior decorating and designing, like clap up for you, because y'all, I mean, everybody that just does it to your own home and your home ends up looking very aesthetic, I guess is the word, that's pretty solid. And my whole vibe is like, I like that gray and whites and the green plant and stuff like that. I just like it to be like a breath of fresh air. So let's move on to the guest bedroom. Let's see if we could spruce that up a little bit, and then the guest bathroom. Maybe I could add a few little tchotchkes, little things, whatever you call them, to make it feel more like a home. Alrighty, here we go. We are in the guest bedroom, okay? Let me give y'all a little view of this. I actually have my king bed in here because I used to use it for Airbnb. So I have my king mattress in here. It could probably use the queen, so I could switch the mattresses out, put this bed back in my bedroom where it was, but when I used it for Airbnb, I switched it up. Little kind of like a walk-in closet. A bunch of my nieces and nephews' toys and stuff. You know, I have to be a good uncle, so I keep some stuff like that. Got a few extra blankets, pillows, and yeah, there's absolutely nothing here but a window and nothing on the walls. So that's what I'm talking about. Like, the house is, you know, super nice, everything's wonderful, but I just don't know what to do. And then as soon as you jump from here, literally, into the bathroom, there's nothing but a bar of soap. And me. I don't know. There's a towel. That's about it. And then you walk back in. Oh, by the way, this rug, if anybody's going to say something about it, I got this for free. And I have never spent more time in my living room than when this rug is here. Now I lay here, watch TV, stretch, do push-ups and stuff. But that's literally it. I actually love my front yard. So this is it. Nothing crazy. Beautiful view though. Beautiful view. And I got this. I got my nice little flowers and my bushes and everything. Got some little things hanging. So I feel like this area right here could use some sprucing up. I don't know where stuff goes. Like I've said 5 times or 100 times already. But I feel like some could probably go here. Some could probably go here. It's just empty space. And I feel like it could make this area feel more homey. So when you walk up to the front door, you're like, oh my gosh, I am so back home and I can't wait to go in. And then right now I just kind of look back and I'm like, well, this is empty. So yeah, we're gonna go back inside and talk about this. Oh, I gotta show you all the back deck. I think maybe I could add some patio furniture or something like that. Alright y'all, this is me. This is the back deck. It's a beautiful back deck. I have a wonderful, wonderful view here. As you can see, I chill. My neighbors have a pool. I get to see just beautiful skies. There's a church right there. I can kind of zoom in, but you probably can't see it. But I have a grill, and I only have 3 chairs. Shout out, I got these from my brother when he moved from his house. But I usually just kind of get a glass of water, sit right here, watch birds fly, listen to them chirp. I enjoy my time. I have a great time out here, but I feel like I could add a table or just something that brings that vibe of like chilling with people. I don't really know, but that's what I'm trying to figure out here. But it's a little bit too hot, so we're gonna jump inside. We're gonna talk about this for a minute or two and just kind of figure out what we're gonna do here. Alrighty y'all, so my kitchen, I guess it could use some stuff. All we have is my YouTube plaque and a Back to Life sign that a subscriber actually sent, someone from the Back to Life family. Much appreciated, by the way. So I'm kind of stuck. I don't know what to do. And this is not my strong suit. And I am one of those type of people that when I know I'm not good at something, I don't try to overextend. I just ask for help. So I'm asking my Back to Life family, please help me figure out this home. Figure out how I can make a house a home. I don't want it just to be like, oh, I'm here and I'm leaving. I'm here and I'm leaving, or going to work, or whatever the case is. Like, I actually want to come home and feel like when you take that deep breath and you're just like, that was nice. I'm home. Work was good. Life is good. And now I'm back home and I can feel comfortable. But going from the kitchen to my master bedroom, the living room, the office, the guest bedroom, just a little bit of everything. I need your help. I'm asking for you to give me ideas. If you have any kind of experience in this is not something I do, so I don't even want to try it. Let me know where I should put pictures. Let me know if I should put plants somewhere, another chair, a table, or something. Just give me ideas. I can figure it out. I can go to like these stores where you can buy this stuff, like the super decorative stuff or whatever it is, or I can go online, I can shop online, I can do all that stuff. I don't really know what what budget I would have. I can spend a couple $100, $500 or something, because I really do, now that I'm home, really want to make this feel like I am actually home, and it's going to feel good to be home. Long story short, do help a brother out. Let me know what y'all think. Give me your ideas. Obviously, if there's like hundreds of ideas, I can't go with everybody's, but what I can do is try to figure out a way to make this look as good as possible, and just to, you know, start feeling like I'm in a really heartwarming place, because when I was traveling, I was on the road so much that when I did pop back in to Chattanooga and I did sleep here, I was like, oh, I'm just sleeping here, and then I got to go to another city or another country or wherever I was going. So like I said, in 2 years I traveled for a year and a half. A little longer than a year and a half actually. And so for me, you know, going to, I think it was 11 countries. I was in Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, Sri Lanka, the UAE. I went to India twice. I went to Italy. I went to Hawaii like 3 times. I went to LA, Mexico. I forget everywhere I've been, but in a year and a half, I literally went so many places. So right now I'm just trying to figure out how to make this place feel really good being back here, now that I will be settled in and getting comfortable with this place, with my city. So please do help me out if you can. If you don't mind, if y'all got nothing to do, or if you're interested in this kind of stuff, please help a brother out. Let me know how I can make this place feel better. I freaking love every single one of y'all. First of all, thank you so much for following along my journey. I'm taking a different avenue now. No more traveling, especially with what's going on in the world. It's really hard to do that right now. So I just want to, you know, have this community still helping me in any way possible, and I appreciate every single one of you that do watch my videos. You guys are freaking amazing. But all in all, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. On this video specifically, drop a comment, give me your tips, give me your ideas. I'll try to interact as much as possible. If you haven't yet, make sure you follow me on Instagram at NicoTJR and on TikTok, and check out Shop Back to Life. Grab you some Back to Life merch, support the movement any way possible, and I thank you for everyone that already has. But without further ado, my Back to Life family, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.